Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my YouTube friends. How are you? So today we are going to learn phrasal verbs. This one says throw away. Throw away. He is throwing away the garbage in the bin. One more time. He is throwing away the garbage in the bin. This is called pick up. Pick up. He is picking up the cane from the floor. He is picking up the cane from the floor. Taken aback. Taken aback. Taken aback means to get surprised by something. Taken aback. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and let's put down the comment in the comment section below. Taken aback. He was really taken aback by watching this movie. Keep on. Keep on. It keeps on raining. It keeps on raining. Pull over. Pull over. Can you please pull over the car? Can you please pull over the car? Means to park your car at some point. It's called pull over. Bring back. Bring back. Please bring back my camera tomorrow. Please bring back my camera tomorrow. Bring back. This is pull up. Pull up. He is pulling his pants up. He is pulling his pants up. Or he pulls up his shoelaces. This is also called pull-ups, like push-ups. This is called pull-ups. He usually do 100 to 20 pull-ups in a day. I'm sorry, he usually do 20 to 100 pull-ups in a day, my bad. Okay, this one says pass away. Pass away. His uncle passed away last week. His uncle passed away last week. Look up. The kid is looking up the sparrow from the window. The kid is looking up the sparrow from the window. Watch out. Watch out means to be careful or to look carefully around you. Is called watch out. Watch out, there is a car behind you. Watch out. And the last is pass out. Pass out. He passed out in front of the public because he was really tired. I'll see you next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.